Hey happy campers! One of the first mods that I did to my camper right away was these screen covers from Camco. I've got this one on my water heater, and you do this to keep mud daubers and other insects from going in there and creating nests. And right above that is my refrigerator, and you can see where I put the Camco screens on the refrigerator vent also because I don't want mud daubers and other insects building nests inside. I also want to put one here on the furnace intake to keep mud daubers from in there. I've heard horror stories about people turning on their furnace for the first time and the mess that it makes because mud daubers got in there. So grab you some of these, put them on there, really easy. It comes with springs and a tool to help you put the spring. The tool actually will fit through the screen here and then help you attach the spring to the unit so it won't come off. So yeah, you want to make sure that no bugs can ever get inside your mechanicals of your camper. So get these screens. They make them in different sizes for different units. You could just look it up in case yours is different than the traditional. And I highly recommend them. And take care of them sooner rather than later before you have a problem. Thanks for watching.